One time, we had an heart-to-heart talk with the friends. Migumpisay ning kwentuhan mi at ing kwentuhan mi tungkol yaking buhay-buhay. Itang metong karela, government employee for 6 years. At itang metong naman, businessman niya. Successful. At totoo namang marami nang napatunayan sa buhay. Sabi ni itang metong ming kaluguran, bisanya ka nung mag-resign king obra na, stressful, at ene ka nung manakit meaning king gagawa na, bisaya ka nung mag-abroad to find himself and to find a new job. Pero tatakot ya ka nung mag-resign kasi daw, pota ka no, alayang akit masanting obra. Inyapin kitang nanining metong ming kaluguran nga ng makanyan. Makanano kawari talagang ka-determine mako. Makanano mong kaburing magobra. Nanuwari talaga ing determination mo o nano talaging sangkan mo nung bakit mantun kang aliwang obra. Kasi nga na, nung balo mo at determine ka mo, if you know what you want, if you have that drive, if you have that determination, nothing would stop you for doing what you want. You will not allow anyone or anything to stop you. Awapi naman, coming from the perspective na ning metong a businessman, totoo naman ing sinabi na, pero nung isipan tamo pinale, nung buryanan tamo pin naman, ala naman makapigil kaya katamo. Nino pa mo, nining makapigil kaya katamo, at nino, nung nano talaga ing burita mong gawan, at nung nano talaga ing kapagnasan na ning puso tamo, determination would give us the drive to do what we want to do. Ing importante pin siguro, itang balo mo, nung nanong buri mo, balo mo ing agyo mong gawan, at alang makapigil kaya ka. Kaniti pungaldo gaganakan taya ing meto nga santo ning kaya katamong Santa Iglesia, San Luis Gonzaga. Metong ayanak a santo, dapat king kayanakana, balo na nung nano ing buri ng gawan king Biena. San Luis pangane yang anak, at inyang 9 years old ya pamo, tegulaling na ne ing Biena king hapong Gino. He made a vow of perpetual virginity. Imagine, a 9-year-old child, but so determined of what he wants. King murang edad na, balo na nung nanuing buri ng gawan. Malino, at masala kaya na buri niyang idawon ing Biena, king apong Gino. And his decision to become a priest was joyfully accepted by his mother. Kaburi ng imana, katulan na, king buri ng gawan na. Dapat itatang ng San Luis, aliyabisa, alineburing magpari ing anak na. Uling ping determinado ya San Luis, nung nanuing buri ng gawan, for 3 consecutive years, kukonvince ne, itatang na, bang payagan ng magpari. And because of his determination, apapayag ne, itatang na. Uli ning sitwasyon da kanita, aliyaman mayari king pangapari na, uling may sakit ya at may te maranon, pero ing kapagnasan at kapurya ng itagulaling ing Biena king Gino, malino at masala. Kapatid, ita mo kaya, makanano tamo ka-determine king Bieta mo, makanano ing kapagnasan tamong tuki king apong Gino. How determined are we to follow Christ? Malino ba kaya katamo ing kapagnasan tamong tuki king apong Gino? Uli na ning karanasan tamong eni king yato, dakal possible distractions, ing biya tamong keti king yato, dakal posibleng balakid. Manyaman ning IBN ng offer na kaya katamo ning yato, mas manyaman ing dakalapera, pibandyan. Nung powerful ka, mas okay. Uling titingalanda ka, ring aliwang tao. Pero nanuwari talaga ing kapagnasan tamo. Nanuwari talaga ing burita mo. Nuka rin tamo papunta. Dakal man distractions, pero agyo tamong lampasan. if we are determined to follow Christ. Kung gusto mo, walang makakapigil sa'yo. Just like the first reading mentioned, for whoever is begotten by God conquers the world, and it because of our faith. Nung bisa kang tuki kingapong Ginoo, agyo mo, basta buryan mo, at alang nanuman, ing makapigil kaya ka.